Peace and love, family. Ebony Q here. And look at the cardinal just flew in. All right, give thanks to the ancestors for showing up at this moment. I am here to deliver a divine message to whoever needs to hear it, and whoever this applies to and needs to receive it. So, as a spiritual guide and consultant, I've had clients who come to me about people putting spiritual hexes and spiritual curse. Believe it or not, I would see this a lot when I worked in a metaphysical store as well. And it's funny because when people actually get the reading, it's like their spirit guides would be laughing. Like their spirit team would be laughing because it's like if you knew who you were, you wouldn't even be worried about what somebody else was doing, what somebody else was saying on your name. Because if you knew who you were, you'd really be taking care of yourself on all planes and levels of existence. You would be up in your psychic protection. How would you be doing that? By fortifying yourself every single day, fortifying yourself in spirit every single day. Because when you fortify your spirit, you put up those psychic defenses where you don't have to come outside of yourself and worry about what's coming this direction, what's coming that direction, what's coming from behind me, because your spirit team is like, I got you. You're covered. You're covered when you're walking in purpose and you're walking in righteousness every single day. Then you don't have to worry about what's happening outside of you because you're covered. And it's the same thing, and this is what's coming through. It's important for me to say, as above, so below, as within, so without. So it's the same thing with your immune system. Somebody might get it from a physical standpoint. If we are fortifying our immune systems every single day through making sure we're eating healthy, making sure we're getting enough sleep, making sure we're exercising and circulating our blood through moving our bodies, we don't worry about, we're not afraid to go into certain spaces and places because we worried about what the next person got. Oh, they might cough in the air and we might catch it. No, because we trust that the work that we've been putting in consistently over time in building ourselves up, building up our immune systems, building up our psychic systems, that we are going to be protected. And all we need to do is focus on staying in alignment, staying in alignment, staying in alignment. And the minute you start to give your worry and your fears to what somebody else might have been doing, and you're like, oh, somebody might have put something on me, this, that, and the third, you are giving away your power. So call your power back to you. Call your power back to you and start to develop a system for yourself, develop a practice for yourself in fortifying yourself in mind, body, and spirit every single day. What the mundane will call personal development. Develop yourself and ascend yourself on every single level of existence, every single day. Pour into yourself, fam. And so, that is the message for today. And may it reach those hearts and those souls in which it needs to reach. Ashe, 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 yo. Give thanks to the ancestors. Give thanks to the spirit guides. Give thanks to the Most High.